Ciao. I really thought, like, I mean, I'm not even gonna say that it hasn't been smooth or that it won't eventually be a smooth process, because right now I'm dealing with a few bumps in the road with getting my place or applying for a apartment. This is the first time I've been denied from an apartment, and not for a true valid reason. You know, I guess being an entrepreneur, like, just the way that we prove our income is different. So I'm not really trying to let this get me down, but I am tired because I fucking flew out there to Georgia to view a few places, but the places that I mainly wanted to view, it was at 100% capacity. Literally, as soon as I landed, they text me saying, yeah, we no longer have units to tour. So I viewed one of my other options. It's kind of a bummer, but I'm looking at places now, and prayerfully I'm able to move. I'm really tired of Maryland. Been here my whole life. I feel like I just need a change of scenery. I need a change in my business. Like, I just want to branch out. So, yeah, my energy is just very low. I'm tired. What sucks is that I paid the deposit for the apartment that I got denied from. But I don't know. I guess you win some, you lose some. Fuck it. Y'all, so the place that I was talking about that was at 100% capacity that I really wanted, one of their sister properties, they have a fucking 3-bedroom. Because I'm looking for a 2-bedroom just so I can have my salon area in a separate room than what I have now. I have my salon area, like, well, it's just my salon chair that I move like in the middle of my living area, but I just want to differentiate that space. I want to give a salon vibe when people come to get their hair done. So I found their sister property, and why do they have a 3-bedroom 2-bath for fucking $1,500, $1,500 to $1,600? That is amazing. That's an amazing price. I keep opening like maps to get directions and see how far the apartments are from like the place I need to go to get hair, from parks that I want to go to often, from grocery stores and like furniture stores and shit like that. Why the fuck is this shit like 30 minutes from everywhere that I want to go? Hey guys, so it's a new day. It's a new dawn. But after having my mini breakdown, I stayed up till 3 a.m. searching far and wide for a bunch of different apartments. I got in contact with a few of them today, did a few virtual tours. I found a really nice one. It's not like my baby here. She's luxurious, she's high-end, it's got the wood floors, got the nice, you know what I'm saying? But she's very spacious, affordable, in a good area. It's not renovated, so I may have carpet. I don't know if I'm gonna decide fully on this unit, but the people, very kind. Like, I always look for that. They were so fucking sweet. The place looks so nice. And don't mind my couch cushions either, because I'm washing the coverings. More blessings, more love. And everything will work out in my favor. I am no longer stressing over shit that will be handled by the one and only, you know.
I said I swear, yeah, it don't matter what you do, I'm just gonna keep running back every time with you. My friends say me I'm blind, yeah, I should run away from you. No. Well, just call me Ray Charles, well, just call me Stevie Wonder. Crazy love, ain't that love? I guess.
Alright guys, so I am back home. Just gonna show you guys what I got. Of course we got these. I got some more vegan cheese. Wait, this is not cheese. These are dates. I plan on making some date brownies eventually. I don't know. We're gonna see. Got my best vegan cheese. Can y'all even see this? It's probably gonna be flipped. So I got my favorite brand, Daya. Best cheese out there, hope. And I got some taco shells and some more Daya cheese because I plan on making some tacos maybe later in the week. That's that. Put the fridge stuff here. And I got this brand of burgers. Normally I get the beet. It's the beet and bean burger, black bean burger. This time I wanted to try the kale and quinoa only because it had more protein and it also had a little bit more iron than the beet one. So I'm trying to just be more conscious of like the little things, like making sure I'm getting my nutrients in. Cause you know, being a vegan, like you really have to pay attention to that shit because you can just be eating shit, but like you're not really getting the proper nutrients. So I got some black beans for the taco, whatever day I plan on doing. I got some coconut milk because today I plan on making curry, chickpea curry with some rice and beans or something, you know. So also got some salsa, yes. I could have made my own, but baby, this shit good. And I get the ginger soother juice. I don't really drink juice often, but when I do, I have pure cranberry juice. Nothing but cranberries. This shit is not sweet. This shit is tart as fuck. The ingredients on here is literally 4 ingredients. They could be fucking lying, but it says 4 ingredients. It's filtered water, honey, ginger juice, lemon juice. It's like pretty good, honestly. I thought it would be stronger. It's really not that strong. I got in these bags. I got some thyme for my curry that I'm making tonight. I got some plantain chips, the sweet kind. Got some baby arugula because I plan on making a little salad with some microgreens. Girl, this is the first time I ever seen some motherfucking microgreens. So these microgreens are sunflower microgreens. I don't even know what the fuck microgreens are, so. But all I know is that it has a lot of like nutrients that we need for our body. It literally says it all on the pack. Like it has vitamin A, vitamin E, niacin, zinc, iron, vitamin C, K, vitamin B, B6, iodine, copper, chloride, magnesium, biotin, riboflavin, magnesium, thiamine, calcium. All this shit is in here. So I'm gonna put that inside my salad tonight. My favorite yogurt that is dairy free. It's the coconut milk. So dairy. I'm so dairy. So delicious. I also get their ice cream, like their ice cream sandwiches and what the fuck? And stuff like that. So got avocado, so I can make some avocado toast before my bread goes bad. Damn, it's a lot of little shit over here, man. I'm blessed. All I'm gonna say is thank you, God, that I'm able to even purchase this amount of food for myself. I'm able to eat. I have a cantaloupe. I should got 2 because the way I be crushing that shit is ridiculous. I got 3 organic mangoes, 3 bell peppers, and yeah, that's really it. And you know what? You know how much this little bit of shit, but I'm grateful for this little bit of shit. This little bit of shit cost me $95 when I could have went to fucking Giant and stole half the shit I just bought. But I was like, fuck it, let me go to Whole Foods because Whole Foods has way better produce than Giant. Like the mangoes from Whole Foods are so juicy. You cut them, juice is flowing out. Fucking Giant mangoes, bitch, that shit is dry as fuck. Just, I'm blessed, grateful. Thank you, God, for this food. Thank you, God, for the car that I'm able to drive to get this food. Thank you, God, for the food stamps that got me this food. Yeah, thank you, God, for everything because, yes, bless. All right, guys, so this is dinner. We have rice and peas. Well, I forgot the kidney beans. But we have curry chickpea curry. Bomb, it smells good, tastes good. Then we have our microgreen arugula and red onion salad with poppy seed dressing. It's like the Panera brand joint, but yeah, it's good. Then we have cranberry juice with that ginger. I just mix it together and it's A1, y'all. It's A1. I would not steer you wrong, child. I would not steer you wrong.